Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make pita bread, and let me tell you, this is the easiest pita bread you'll ever make. It's so easy, it's so simple, and it's so pillowy. You're going to see at the end. So let's begin. So you're going to need yeast, instant yeast, a cup of warm water, and then 1 cup of flour. Add it to the yeast water mixture, and then we are going to set that aside as the yeast brew. In this case I'm using instant yeast, but doing this step is very important. So after the 10 minutes, mix your mixture. You can use a mwiko or anything, and then we are going to add salt and olive oil. In case you don't have olive oil, you can still use vegetable oil, it will still work, but olive oil gives the pita bread a great flavor. So then you're going to add another cup of flour, but you add it bit by bit as you mix. Do this with a wooden stick at the beginning, but then we are going to go in with our hands because that will make it easier. Then go in with your hands, scrape everything. The dough is going to be sticky, but don't worry, we are going to work on it. Then we are going to transfer this into a flat surface. It makes the kneading easier. So just dust with flour, and then put your dough and knead with your hands. You can use the edge of your palm. Yeah, it's like you are pulling and pushing until everything is well incorporated. This step will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that your dough will not be sticking into your hands, it will not be sticking to your surface, and it's going to be smooth. And when you flick it like with your hand, it's going to bounce back. So you just need more patience, just a little bit of patience, and you'll see the results. See how smooth my dough is looking. So after this, put your dough into a clean bowl, apply some oil, just a little bit of oil, and then cover with a cling film and put the dough in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. It will depend with how warm is the place. So after the 1 or 2 hours, your dough will have doubled in size, and you're going to punch it or just squeeze it and remove that air. So then you're going to divide your dough into balls. It's going to give you around 8 pieces. Yeah, just like you make chapati, the way you make the chapati balls, that's the same way that you're going to do in this case. So repeat until you're done, and then we're going to let this rest for another 10 minutes. It gives the gluten time to relax. So cover with a kitchen towel, let it rest for 10 minutes. After that, the dough will also have doubled in size. Then transfer in a flat surface, and we are going to roll to make round shaped. It doesn't have to be too big, just medium size. So in the meantime, you can be heating your pan because you need a hot pan, but not too hot. Then place your rolled piece onto the pan, and after a minute you can turn, keep on turning, like after 1 minute, until it puffs up. It's going to rise. So that's when you know that it's ready. Yeah, and you can see that that's just perfect. That's what you should aim for. But don't feel bad in case some don't rise, because in case there is like a tearing somewhere in the dough, the air is going to escape, and if it escapes, you do not be able to rise. So just make sure when you're rolling that you do not break it. So repeat until you are done, and you'll be having perfect pita bread at the end. So look the way this one looks. It has those pockets in the inside. It's just perfect. So you can serve this with your shawarma, falafel, or you can just enjoy it with hummus, just anyhow that you like. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.